the way to the airport. My flight is at 7. It's currently 5.
Bentastico.
I think I'm gonna be a little late, but yeah, it's all good, man. Alright, so we just landed. We're out here, we about to just go through immigration right now. What's good, what's good? This your boy Bentastico. We out here in Haiti, man. We just landed. I'm currently at the airport right now. We're about to get our bags. As soon as we get the bags, hit outside, get the car, and you know it's about to be a movie. Let's get it. What's good? It's your boy Ben. Don't forget the Bentastico. We're currently out here at the airport. We about to head in the car. We about to head to the crib. You know, I'm excited. I'm out here in Haiti, man. It's like a dream come true because I planned this trip 8 months ago, and you know it's amazing to be out here. So you already know. So we in the hood right now. Well, stereotypically, they call over here the hood. This is where you get robbed. That's what they say. This is where they say you can't walk by yourself. This is where they say you get kidnapped. It's basically the hood, but I'm out here by myself. Walking by myself, as y'all can see. And guess what? Nothing happened to me. So don't let people's stereotypes misinform you of Haiti and make it seem like it's the worst place on the planet. I'm out here by myself walking, as y'all can see. Walking by myself with my phone in my hand. And what? I ain't getting robbed. Nothing. And this is the hood. So out here, it's called Delma 2, aka Delma number 2. You know, the media, the news, you know, certain people, they want to tell you, oh Ben, when you go to Haiti, be safe. You know, don't walk by yourself. You know, don't wear, you know, any watch or have your phone out in your hand. I'm currently walking the street by myself, as y'all can see, and ain't nothing happened to me. So Haiti is, I guess, not as bad as people portray it to be. So you already know. Alright, we on the road right now. I'm on my way to Fort Jacques. Got the camera in the back, got the drone in the back, got my cousins with me. I'm looking forward to Fort Jacques because it's my first time going to Fort Jacques. I heard the view over there is beautiful, so we're about to get some good drone shots and, you know, get some good scenes for this Haiti Through My Eyes Fort Jacques episode. You already know this, your boy Ben, and don't forget Bentastico.
Bentastico beats.
Right over there. See right over there? You gotta get some shots right up there. We out here walking up the hill. You know, I'm out of shape, but you know, this is what we gotta do. Just an epic, beautiful view, guys. This is my first time here, so you know I'm extremely just excited. I'm so happy right now. I'm getting chilled. But this is just what they don't show you on TV, man. Look at this beautiful view.
Why you got it?
Currently on the road right now. I'm headed to a wedding, you know. On the road.
Bentastico beats.
What's good? What's goody? This your boy Ben, and don't forget Bentastico. Right now we're currently in beautiful Tigwav. Oh my god, I love Tigwav. I get excited every time I come here to Tigwav. We're about to go on an adventure. Like my shirt says, every day is an adventure. So I came out here to Haiti to explore. So right now, we're about to hit the road. We got the car right behind me. We're about to hit the road. We're about to head to Okai. I'm super excited because I've never been to Okai.
Bal pou fel, pou do ka det ma do ba fel. E nou ka fel, na pou fel ankon. Apre okay, na fe okap, tet doan.
We at the Botanic Garden. This your boy Ben, and don't forget Bentastico. I'll see you inside. Let's go.
Bentastico beats.
So right now, about to walk through. This is so beautiful. Shout out to Mother Nature. What's good? So right now we're visiting the Botanic Garden. We just went down these steps right there. All right, we just crossed this little lake on these tires. All right, and now we're going up. We're going up. We're going up. We're walking through. Walking through. Let's go. This is so beautiful, man. Yo, I don't regret coming here. This is, oh man, I'm having a blast. Like, yo, beautiful. Oh, I see that sun. That sun is shining on me. I see this.
Wè sa, li fet an Haiti.
Yes.
Bon bagay. Wa 12 pou. Pas senti bon pop. Moun ka parle Haïti au mal, Haïti gen pile bon bagay.
Bon bagay net.
Ça, ou fait faire jouer avec ou prend Jean vle.
Exactly.
Comme ça même regarde ba te chahi net gagner. Si ministre pas quitter mon happy fun
I had an amazing day, guys. I had an amazing day. I personally don't regret coming out here, man. Okai was an amazing trip. The garden was dope. The fruits, the flowers, the birds, everything. I had my cousin with me here. He's my driver. So you see this car right here? We was booking it on the road. We was booking it on the road. You know what I'm saying? This car, amazing. If you come to Haiti, you need a Nissan Xterra. If you don't got a Nissan Xterra, then you in big trouble. Alright? Nissan Xterra, I need to sponsor. Yeah. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning from Gonaives. Good morning. So currently right now we in Gonaives and we're about to go explore the city right now. So I'm pretty excited because it's my first time out here in Gonaives. So I'm looking forward to it. It's your boy Ben and don't forget Bentastico.
Yeah. Lagi.
What's good? What's goody? What's happening? This your boy Ben and don't forget Bentastico. I'm currently in beautiful Gonaives. I am super excited to be here. Gonaives is the second biggest city in Haiti. Gonaives, this is where the Haitians got their independence. That's where they gained their independence. So I'm super excited to be here. So currently I'm inside of a little business that is owned by an individual, and give y'all a little bit more information of over here and what's behind all of this. This is your boy Ben, and it's how we do it.
Hi, so I'm Kathy Brooks, founder of Second Story Goods here in Gonaives. Would love to tell you a little bit about our company. So we started here in Gonaives about 7 years ago, and our primary goal at that time was to work in the community of Jubilee Blanc, which is down by the sea. So basically we came in and tried to figure out something that people could do in order to create jobs. So we started working with jewelry first, which was the easiest thing to start with. And we use a lot of recycled materials, so we found people that could smelt aluminum, recycled aluminum, and then form it into pieces. And so we started making necklaces, just really simple necklaces with that. We use clay beads that are also made here in Haiti, which create jobs as well. So these little pieces are smelt in the sand, and then the word hope is stamped in. So this is just an example. We started with jewelry, and as you can see now we have a lot of different types of jewelry. We use glass. We take glass that's been thrown out, and we shape it and clean it and make beautiful pieces of jewelry with it. That was 7 years ago with about 5 people that we started with, and today we have roughly 75 or 80 makers involved in this process, plus we are able to promote other makers like this guy, the wooden bowl guy, the basket makers. This is Kala, Atelier Kala, she's out of Port-au-Prince. Our goal basically is to let people know that all these beautiful things are made right here in Haiti, and that we're moving from an aid to trade mentality about this country, because aid doesn't get you anywhere. Actually, trade is what does it. So that's basically what Second Story Goods is all about.
What's good? What's goody? What's happening? This your boy Ben and don't forget Bentastico. I'm currently with my friend Salanto. Your friend Salanto is still, and we're currently here in a neighborhood called Tusab, and he's basically gonna give y'all just a little tour and overview of his school, of the church, because this is my first time here, so I don't really know much. So I'm gonna just
for sure. Yeah, thanks, man. Yeah, once again, like he said, my name is Salanto Estil, and I'm here in Gonaives, Haiti. This city is, I would have to admit, one of the most beautiful cities in Haiti, but you know, because of so many natural disasters that hit Haiti, you know, a lot of people can't see the beauty. But in 2011, I decided to move back to Haiti in order to try to figure out ways to help. I grew up in the States, went to university, and so on. And the city of Gonaives has about 400,000 people, and as you know, there's a lack of home and lack of jobs and lack of education, so the people are struggling. And going through school in the US, I always had in my heart that if I had the resources and the training, I could go back to Haiti and make a difference as a Haitian. So I've been here, and I was trained to become a teacher, So my talent and my dream, my goal was to try to build a school for the kids who didn't have the resources or didn't have the ability or the funds to pay to go to school. So I've been doing this for the last 6 years. We have about 400 kids. More specifically, the area that we are in is called Tusab. And I just felt that this is the area that I really wanted to implement the school because it was a new incoming development area after the Hurricane Ike and Hannah. A lot of the people were moving from the city and moving to this area, so there was not a school. So I felt like this would be an ideal place. And then most importantly, my home is right near, so I could walk a block or 2 blocks, and I'm in my home as well. So yeah, one of the things that a lot of people don't aware is that Haiti can be changed by Haitians. It doesn't always have to mean like a foreigner, and what I mean by a foreigner is like somebody outside of a local diaspora or Haitian that could be the only one that helps save Haiti. We can make a difference. It might just mean like we come back and share our talent. We might be a musician, we might be a basketball player, we might be a pastor that wants to preach the gospel, we might be a teacher like me who wants to make an impact in the classroom. So that's basically what my hope and my dream was. And after hard work, I was able to come back, and now I employ around 40 people. Every month, I get to pay 40 people to have a job and something to look forward to. It might not be a lot of money, but it's something. Have a look at my school here. It's the Starfish School.
Bentastico beats.
What's goody? This is your boy Ben, and don't forget the Bentastico. And right now we're currently in beautiful Tigwav. I've been in Tigwav for the past 2 days. I love coming to Tigwav. Tigwav has beautiful beaches. Tigwav is a peaceful place. There's no, nothing crazy going on out here. Tigwav is well known for something called douce macos. Douce macos is delicious. I love douce macos. So I'm out here in Tigwav. I'm currently staying at my father's friend's house. I've been here. Yesterday I went to Okai, and today I came back to Tigwav. And right now I'm about to go to the Place of Tigwav. So I'm about to just go over there and give y'all a little, show y'all a little taste of Tigwav. This is your boy Bainet. Don't forget the Bentastico. Alright, we just arrived at the Place. Oh man, this place is so beautiful. But as y'all can see behind me, this was built by the former president, Aristide. He was the president of Haiti. He was president 2 times. Well, I don't remember exactly the years he was president, but Aristide was the president that built this place over here. As y'all can see, this place is very beautiful. So I'm super excited to be here. And guess what? That sun is shining on me. Oh, all right.
Bentastico Beats.
Alright, so as y'all can see, Tigwav is a beautiful place. We got a beautiful park, but I'm gonna use the word place instead. Beautiful place that was built by Jean Bertrand, the ex-president Bertrand Aristide. You know, I like it, man. It's a pretty cool vibe. This is one of those little spots you could come through around like 5, 6 when the sun is down. You come here to, you know, to just relax and mac a little bit. And I'm about to get back in the car, and this your boy Ben, and don't forget the Bentastico. What's good? What's goody? What's happening? This your boy Ben, and don't forget the Bentastico. I'm currently in my hometown, Bainet. I've been trying to record this video like the past week, but yesterday it was raining, so I couldn't really record it. But you know, I just wanted to go around and basically show y'all, give y'all a little taste of Bainet, of what Bainet looks like. There is a place called Gonaives. It's extremely beautiful. I went over there last time to shoot a music video. I was supposed to record my own video, but it got dark. So, but guys, as y'all can see, man, we got a beautiful, beautiful ocean. Come around, let me show y'all around here. It's a beautiful little spot. Got the little huts where you can come and just mac around, you know, get a little drink or something. Nice little spot. You can come through at like the nighttime. You know, you can have a little party over here. You know, this is just beautiful. This is dope, man. Like, I'm enjoying it. Boy Bennett, don't forget the Bentastico. We about to play some dominoes. I'm like the best in dominoes, so peep this. Peep this, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? But you gotta do it this way. Let's do it. Boom! It's a little vibe, you know? You can't come to Haiti and not play dominoes, you know what I'm saying? It's a vibe. Beautiful ocean, beautiful little spot out here with the, you know, with the bros. Check the kiss. You know what I'm saying? And watch this though. Boom! He knocked. He knocked. He knocked. His go now. That's it. He knocked. Look at me. Bring the camera on me. He knocked. He knocked. Guess what? My go again. When you're a professional at something, you just do what you want. This is how we do it out here. Watch this. Watch this. Boom. Watch this. He knocked. He knocked again. That's how we do it, bro. I'm a professional. Look. Look at my hand. Boom. Here's go. Watch this. Watch this. He knocked again. Alright, he good. And you know what's crazy? When you're a professional at dominoes, this is what you do. Come closer. Look what I played. This is what you call coller me. Boom. That's what you call. This is what you call a professional. Let's go. Coller me power. Coller me power.
Like your camera guy.
This is guess what? This is what you call dick best.
Mendes,